Welcome back everyone to a new video of What to Step. If you also want to get signed up and create an account of GoDaddy.com, then in this video let me show you the step-by-step process. Now before I move on and show you, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more informative videos. Search for GoDaddy.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you do, it's gonna take you to its website. From the website, you can click on the sign in option on the top right, and instead of clicking on sign in again, you can click on create an account. To create an account of GoDaddy, you can either use your Facebook account, Google account, or your email address. If you use your Facebook or Google account, you can just select your accounts and you'll be immediately signed up. For this video, however, I'm going to use my email address, so just click on continue with email if you also want to use your email address. In the first box, type in your email, and then in the second box, create your username. Lastly, you'll also need to create your password. Make sure your password is strong by including numbers, letters, and special characters. Once you type in all of these three information, click on create account. Now you'll need to verify your email address before you can use it, so just click on send verification code and type in the 6-digit code that has been sent to your email address. Type in the code and click on verify code. And there you go, as easy as that. Your account of GoDaddy.com now has been created. Now you can register your domain or host your website. So that is the easy process of creating an account of GoDaddy.com. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos that we post. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.